Hi guys, my name's Tara and I've been taking a deep dive into AI the past year, and I just watched an interview a podcast with Mark Zuckerberg and Dwakesh Patel, and it was very exciting. It spoke about the release of Meta AI, which is built with Meta Llama 3. Meta Llama 3 is open source for developers, which is super exciting, and this version, so this web application is also open source for everyone. So unlike ChatGPT Pro, where you get access to GPT-4 and DALL-E 3, that's $20 a month. This is completely free. And this is why it's exciting, if you take a look at the testing and compare it to the current best versions, I guess GPT-4 is not here, but you've got Gemini Pro 1.5 and Claude Sonnet. It outperforms on most of the benchmarks, and not by heaps, but it just shows the quality that is in Meta Llama 3. And then over here you've got the billion parameter model, which actually outperforms a lot more. So that's why it's exciting. The capabilities of this Meta AI 3 model seem great, and I'm super excited to test out some of the features that Zuckerberg was talking about. So I've had a little play on this for 5 minutes. It's very easy to use. We've got on the left hand side a panel with not much else, nothing too complicated. That's like a Facebook profile. Then you've got Meta AI, conversation, and imagine, which is the picture, and that's my history. And these are some predefined prompts. So I think we'll start off with just having a conversation. So tell me about yourself as an AI LLM. LLM stands for large language model, which is what I like to ask an AI model when I first start interacting with it. There you go. So tell me about yourself. I'm glad you asked. I'm Meta AI, an AI assistant developed by Meta, can understand and respond to human conversations, have been trained on a massive data set from various sources, including books. Here are some of my capabilities: conversational understanding, knowledge base. I've been trained on a vast amount of text data and have a broad range of knowledge. Text generation. I can generate human-like text based on prompts and topics. Language translation and summarization. So the language translation is something that I remember being mentioned in the podcast. So that was a particular focus for this model. So let's say, love to learn Portuguese. Give me a quick lesson structure for me to learn, for me to pick up the language. Great choice. Portuguese is a beautiful language. Here's a quick lesson structure. Okay, so we've got basics, greetings, hola, tudo bem. Well, I mean, I could definitely see myself getting into that. I don't know where this has just gone, but yeah, so that's the conversation. So this here is the images. So I have a tendency to create a lot of images of waves because I love it. I've never been able to draw, but I can use language. So I took a keen interest in this area. So I'm going to go an image of a perfect barreling wave at a tropical beach with turquoise. I'm going a bit specific here. Turquoise clear water reflecting the sunlight at a tropical beach. Okay, so I've got a Tropical beach. I've got quite a few different things for the model to focus on, and I haven't tried a prompt with this much depth with this model. So I'm interested to see what will happen. Oh, wow. That's a pretty good wave. A little bit unrealistic, but it's got the tropical beach, barreling, glassy. It's definitely glassy wave. Like the glassiness means like the texture, it's not choppy. So that's good. This one, yeah, we've got the tropical beach. The sand is kind of coming up through the water. Is maybe not so realistic, but not bad. That's the best one. That's actually the best shaped wave. That is actually very realistic. So yeah, that's great. And this one has got this sunlight coming off it. Yeah, it's a little bit less realistic, just with the way the water's moving. So if you have a look down here, you've got regenerate button, an edit button, and an animate button. So I am going to animate this perfect wave and see what happens. This is the stuff that I love. Like, I'm very interested to see how. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I think not 100% realistic because of the way this, the lip kind of extends and gets wider. It should be getting, yeah, but it's pretty good. I will show you in one of my conversations I had a few minutes ago an image that I was astounded with. While I'm looking for it, I'll tell you about the feature that Mark Zuckerberg said was one that he's really looking forward to people getting his hands on, and that is the image generation. He said it's actually so fast that when you type the prompt, it generates as you type, so you can see it generating the image, each word by word. So I don't know. I haven't seen it yet from what I've done. Maybe it does that on larger prompts, but it'll be fascinating to see where that comes into play. This wave here, that is moving perfectly. Just the way that the wave is moving forward, clearly it's moving forward. This water is actually moving up towards the barreling part of the wave, and the barreling part is moving towards the camera, which is where it would be moving. That is amazing. So I'm downloading that one and I'm putting it on my Instagram. All right, so next we will have a look at how it does people. So let's go running race at a college athletics carnival there. Castias. It's interesting. That's another thing to explore, how it produces words in the images. But yeah, that's from a distance. While it looks a little bit chaotic and over, like kind of like don't know where they're coming from, the order of the people don't make sense too much, but it looks good from a distance. Closer up, maybe not so much. You've got some awkward looking faces. Maybe some better prompting will produce better images of people. So you've got that one. That one's a lot better. And then what was the last one? That one's not too bad as well. See the crowd here. I think the crowd's a little overcrowded. All right, so let's see this one animated. See how the people move. Okay. That seems pretty good to me compared to other models. Yeah. And lastly, let's do a puppy dog. A puppy. And we'll try out this editing feature. Oh, cute. Oh, no way. All right, I want a puppy. Okay, So let's edit this and say puppy is chasing a ball. And this is where it differs a little bit to ChatGPT Pro in terms of its editing. Okay, so it's done all four. And it's exactly followed the prompt. I guess it's changed the entire picture though, the entire image, which is where it differs somewhat to ChatGPT 4, where you've got the choice to edit like this, but you've also got the choice to color in the area you want change. So in this case, you might do a circle and say, I would like a ball in there. So it's a little more limited there, but it's free. So look, that's pretty much it for now. If you like the video, I'd love to get some feedback, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you later.